We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Ping stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle of the market is a bullish green candle. Work its way up from a structure of that W for the first leg, second leg, third leg, and we clearly see the fourth. That's matching up with this area here. So we just want to see if that market's going to break, retest, or is that market declining from multiple pushes to that top? And are we going to get a decline area here? Or is that market's going to consolidate within that range, up and down? Price action. Overall higher highs. Price action. Overall lower lows. Midpoint in the middle. So we can see that also there's second level highs sitting here. So we have a midpoint at that area. So let's draw out what we see. Okay, once again, we do have that first leg spike down, second leg, third leg, market pushed up for the fourth. It did break the midpoint and it made it to second level highs. Didn't follow up with a retest yet at that midpoint, or it may follow up after the break of that second level highs to retest to work its way up. Now, the market is declining for multiple pushes to that area. So overall, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, price actions to retest, coming down from a double top and a retest or triple top of that area. We are on the weekly time frame currently. On the weekly time frame, price action is a bullish green candle coming from multiple pushes to that bottom, from that bottom. So we have overall first leg, second leg, third leg. Market broke out that midpoint with a bullish green candle, stopped at the second level highs. We're still looking for the retest. So it's areas where the market can retest the overall midpoint, or it can retest at least near this area here to work its way back up for that break and retest of the W. Walking down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have a huge gap in the market. So price action is sitting up here with a small bullish green candle. So it's sitting up here at second level highs. We have a huge gap, so we don't see the push with that bullish green candle. So we're going to see what's going on at this area here. So is this area going to create a consolidation for that market to work its way sideways, or will this eventually grow or the candle after break, retest the top of that second level highs and work its way up further? Or is that the decline of the market, where market is going to spike that second level highs and work its way down, followed up with a retest? On a 4-hour time frame, I'm going to zoom into this, very small. Look like we have two bullish green candles at that area, that high. So this is more like consolidation. Markets work its way sideways. We do have the price action candle above the previous candle body and price action wick above the previous wick, so that market can be still pushing up further, or it can consolidate sideways, or it could create a bearish red candle to work its way down. On a 3-hour time frame, we're starting to get some structure. So what's happening with the candles on a 3-hour time frame, Third to last candle of the market is the push. Second last candle is a retest. Price action is the push to that area of the SR line that we did create. On the 2 hour time frame, we have a few retests. So market broke, came back to retest, pushed up again, came back to retest, and price action is a push. So it's like an incline W in that area. And it also could be a resistance for the decline, which will be first leg, second leg, third leg, and then market comes down, coming down if we receive a bearish red candle for that M pattern. On the 1 hour time frame, well, coming down in red would be the first leg, second leg, third leg, and then market pushed up for that fourth. So we can see that incline W that's trying to form. Okay, so we're gonna see, watch. So price action is a bullish green candle that is engulfing the second, third, fourth, and some of the fifth to last candle as well. That can push that market up and break out that SR line. If not, it's coming. Price action will be coming from that M pattern, which would be pushing up for that first leg, second leg. Price action is the third push. Waiting for that pattern to identify itself. If it's a bearish red candle following up after price action, market's coming from that double top. One hour, 45 minute, reading the same thing. 30 minutes as well. Market is extending sideways. We can still see that overall structure of that first, second, third, and market trying to push up for that fourth. Last candle, market still that bullish green candle on a 15-minute time frame. Same as well. Last candle, the market bullish green candle, engulfing all the previous side. So market can still be working its way up. Market's near the SR line on the 15-minute time frame. So we're going to see if we're going to still receive the push. Is market's going to work its way sideways, or is it going to form a bearish red candle, a doji? It's going to eventually push that market down. Same as well on the 5-minute bullish green candle. Same as well on the 3-minute, we have a bullish green doji. Let's take a look at the 1-minute time frame. Okay, so on a 1-minute time frame, we did receive the break of that SR line, but price could be still working its way up. So what's happening with this is third to last candle to market, fourth to last candle market is the push. Fourth to last candle is a push. Third to last candle is a retest. Second last candle is a push, and then price action just worked its way sideways. So on a price action with the second last candle, it's side by side, also within one another. So that market's creating that consolidation. For us to see that market push up, we want to see this. You want to see a bullish green candle engulf the second last candle, which is a doji, or identify a pattern for that market to push up. Or you may want to follow up with a bearish red candle that's going to engulf the second last candle as well, which is that doji, to close out for that market to push down. If not, we will be receiving candles within the price action second last candle working its way sideways until that pattern is formed. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Ping, stalk.